Please summit.
Morning worship before we start the morning. The company na sila, guys. Sir! Sir, ano sa'yo maingunin mo, sir? Nga nakakabang sa birthday. Hi, mga love! Today is Kung Kung's shooting. So we're gonna go there, but we're not gonna film or shoot or video, take a video of the whole thing.
That's my shoes there.
So we have Nikki. Hi, Nikki.
Hey,
That's Kung Kung.
Thank you.
Then we have Tep. Hi, Tep, ma'am, madam. And Camille.
Hi.
Comes our transportation manager. Tama ba na? Transport manager.
LTO.
LTO. So we are going to Villa de Mercedes. Okay, mga loves, we're done eating. So this is what happened to the food. Parang walang nangyari. We have an Indian music in the background. And sing na kami, mga loves. Let me show you, Char. Let me show you the whole place. This is the whole place. Wait lang.
Hi.
Hi, my loves. Char.
Saan buhay natin dyan? Sarap ng buhay sa Pinas. Pinas. Saan buhay dyan?
Well, ayaw kita ka-bless, guys. Rest muna tayo.
Kahilas ba?
Hilas kayo.
Nasaan ako tawin? With feelings pa?
I found a man, noble and sweet. I'll never lose someone. We chorus. We were just kissing
Good job.
Wow, very good. Hi, mga loves! Hi, we're here na sa aming room.
Yeah, we're here in our room.
Oh, pwede di pang vlog na. Wala ko ginagawa ba dati sa vlogging?
So, busy sila sa ilang fish eye, guys.
Busy po si Kuan.
Busy sila sa fish eye.
Basta di ko naman dati.
So, we'll have a short tour sa mga room.
Yeah,
So-
you tour here in the outside.
Yes.
And the other room.
So, this is the CR, guys. You know, ang mga babae, CR jud ang usahay, ang kuan. Sorry lang, dili lang ta mapakita sa mga nakakahalay.
Okay.
Yan, there. Oops. So, ano siyang CR? Hi, guys. So, see? Very nice ang ilang CR. Very clean. Very neat. Yan ang ginadool man dyan ako sa kuang naon. Sorry, guys. So, muna ilang kortina. Ilang kortina nga flowery. Anong haggard ko, guys? Sorry kayo. Hindi ka pa kong trabaho. So, ready na si Kung Kung. Kung Kung, are you ready?
Yeah.
Are you ready for tomorrow? So, because of you, because sa iyaha, siya jud ang dahilan na ni og iyahang nanay Tora.
Guys, we are going. Nay, we are
Kung dili
going.
tungod sa beauty ni Kung King Palanging,
We are
may katulog
going.
og aircon dere, guys. So,
Nanay, we are
so money na sila TV pero naibayad ta na nilang channel.
You are.
And then na sila lamp dito sa kilid. So let's check the other rooms. Char. Hi, Tap. So we'll go down
And check for the toys.
there.
Check for the toys. You want to see it? I want to be a little. You want to try? You want to try?
What? What do you want us to try?
I want to look cute.
Look here.
She has a fancy room.
So these are the things for tomorrow. It's
And
confidential.
here's the rest. And here's the, what is that?
The dish dryer.
Try will get this. And for wash thing. And for, oh, who is this? This one's kitchen. Rest.
Mangurog ako kabot sa...
Namulbos pa tanawa, oh!
Namulbos.
Siklat ang pulbos.
So, dalaga na gid mo ang pagumangkon. So, mo ni sila mga hilason ni sila. Hi. So,
My friend now.
yeah. So this is our house at
Yeah.
night.
This is
So
our
this is our car. Come here. For tonight and for today and for tomorrow. Thank you, Sepi Dinosta, for the
We're not going.
sponsor.
We're buying.
Bye. The search of 7-Eleven. 7-Eleven.
Oh yeah, vegan.
So guys,
So this is the coffee station.
what happened to the mood there?
I don't like this. That's an X.
So wala pa ka sa Hong Kong ron na pila ka mong tubig yung paliton.
Duha.
Duha
Ano
ka.
sila cups, no?
Naman siguro.
Kini na lang.
Kada ko.
Kini na lang. Sige.
Ay, bawi guys, bawi. Dili sa buhok lang. Maputi ang budhi ni Tep.
Bawi, gutom mo eh.
Sama lang.
Patang tao eh, kasi pumunta. Gamay lang good. Mas bet ako itong burger sa McDo.
Lapot na muti ka, Tep. Namuti ka.
It's because of Gluta. Thanks for Ateling, my sponsor.
Ingon si nanay, manguha daw.
Kuha lang daw.
Magkuha lang daw.
Tomorrow guys, so... Kapit na malupat, Nix! Hi! We are here at McDonald's!
Aftermath.
Hi! So we're done with our McDonald's mga loves and we are going back to Villa de Merced.
Ah, no!
Mabuti lang naka-iPhone tayo. Good morning mga loves! So today is the day. So Kung Kung is getting ready with Tita Tap. Tita Nikki. Di na kami maliligo. Look at my hair. Ang daming frizz. Ang daming split ends and I don't care. Next face.
Good morning. Here's Nanay. Hi, Nanay. So I'm taking over. So hi, Cam. So where are we going, Kung? Kung, where? Here. Where are we going?
I don't know.
I don't know. Hi. Ano pang isa?
No, kaya becomes lang.
Good morning.
Morning, Kilay, guys.
Morning, Kilay regimen ni. So they're getting ready.
Bye.
So, na-start na nako ang car. Hi, Cam.
What are you doing?
Hi. Don't go here. Don't go here.
What
Hi.
are you doing here?
Hi. Good morning.
No, kaya ano ulan ba yate? Hi mga loves. This is the playground. Check it out. This is Arjol. Arjol.
Ito si Arjal.
Argel's going to the top out. Top
Out.
Hi mga loves, we are here sa playground with Nikki and the gang. Lagi na lang si Nikki. Wala na iba. Lagi na lang si Nikki. So, Kung is here. King! We're gonna go to the tent. Come on!
I want to live too.
Oh, so this is the setup. Be careful there because it's wet. Morning worship before we start the morning. The company na sila, guys. The company na ha, the company.
Company.
Ma'am, nakising ko, ma'am.
5 or luwa, ma'am.
Ma'am, 5, ma'am.
Hold it.
What are you doing, guys?
Sa una ka to
Trying to fly a kite.
cellophane na taon.
Flying
Bito! Sa Lufay ka ng Jaryo.
stripe or katong
Yeah,
buong
grabe sa ano, sa field.
O niya, tukog lang to, guys. Tukog.
Oh, tukog.
Higher one.
Yes.
Field trip pa yun sa SM kay wala pa kayo nakundo sa una sa SM. Di na kami magpalupadog kay.
Michelle, ito lang mila papay.
Sige daw.
Okay, go. Ano sa
Alright, let's do this. Let's witness Kung fly a kite today, mga loves. Come on. Alright, come on. Higher. Ate Kung, I said you up.
ano sa
Make it longer. Okay, get it? Alright, run over there, huh?
Careful ha. Okay, go you.
Okay, go, you run. Watch where you're Whoa, alright, good job. Here, come up. Uh-oh, go. Whoa, careful, Nak. Yay. Ah! Naputo.
Sorry.
Hi, and this is Ate Nikki.
Ano ni? Isa ka.
Isa ka, Nix. Control it, Nix. This is your exercise. Oh. Nikki na pink kite.
Wala na, naog na.
What's happened? Careful. Take it fast. Run fast but careful. Up. Uh-oh. Hold it. Oh yeah.
Be, control it like that. Ana-ana na lang man ate, oh. Agay, don't go back. Mo na ni Ron. I am an industry.
Bilis guys, bilis. Brown lagi na ko sa yung pag.
Go pa kayo siya.
Matagal lang siya mag-sap.
Kaya na siya na medyas?
Nay palitin na siya mga katong alo good nice HBC nga pang kids na make up para maanad siya nay.
Nay, ano ka no?
This is Ash. Gihatag din nanay.
Ash, ikaw niya?
Maka-zoom. Nakikiss ko kung may picture.
Oh! Wow, good job.
Nanay, 50 ka na nanay.
Oops. Careful.
I did bet you can.
Mark na drawing na siya.
Okay,
baliktad ka mo. Oh, bagal. Tama. Left, give it up, tika. Go na.
Go like Wonder Woman! Go! Go! Ini George, Tio. Love, George. Dili.
Oh, galing. Hi, Nay.
Hi.
Frisbee, oh.
So, what's
a wrap.
next?
It's eating time.
It's a...
Again.
It's a...
Let's tara.
Bye!
Bye!
Bye, guys! Uy, giubo.
Wow!
Hey, run! Wait, hold on. Ready?
Go! Wow! So, enjoy kayo sila sa hacienda ni Mamang.
We can rewrite the stars.
King, how's your swimming?
You want to eat the banana? Yum, yum, yum.
Banana. Is that a banana?
Yeah.
Gummy bear man yan.
Yeah.
Show them your gummy bear.
Look, this real.
Real gummy bear? Say bye!
It's been a
Lawas ni Cristo. Lawas ni Arnalyn.
Pero, ang blood niya.
In remembrance of the Lord. Do this in remembrance of me. Ano ba yan gusto?
Eat it. This is my blood.
Sige itong kanta sa garden niya.
Gardenia.
Tara na at mag-araro sa garden niya. Please summit. Okay? Load na to.
Ano sa kaoy? Recorded to na ni Mahang Kano.
May balay, guys.
Ha?
May balay.
Wala. Ano naman?
Lote lang.
Abay!
Dagot ko ha. Ina-wait na mo si ba itong mga loves? Wait lang. Hello! Ayun, dito kami.
1, 2, 3, smile!
O, di ba si Kuya? Si Kuya din. Sorry, di rin si Kuya. Again, with Kung siya. Sir! Sir, ano sa'yo maingon mo, sir? Nga nakakakabang sa birthday.
Busog ko.
Ganina ko kasi kulat dito. Lagi may pagka. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you. So, mga loves, wala may nakapamicture kay Duterte. Kaya wala may sticker. Kung kabalo may nga na ang sticker, gikuha na mo ang sticker dito. Kailangan mo na ng sticker. May bush.